Batisi TV Lone Rashapi Daka Frank Motors Kajaka Dekali Gabatamai Junka Tata Motors Halatko Ni Shillong Rinkat Bakanet Foodish Ordar Mapi Ninwan Ramani Hakir Dobiying Jompi
Ka Sorkar Jilla hagasngi baar kala shimya ka raban Pynbna no ya ka Baghmara Reserve Forest kum ka Khlaw ban penne pensa ya uteo rakot kum ka Picture Plant Sanctuary. Ya kini ka rai la shim haga jingelang jong ka State Board for Wildlife bala penyai de Menteri Rangba ka Jilla Konrad Konggal Sangma hagasngi baar. Haga jingya keren bat kilat pathai khubor Menteri jong ka Tanat Forest and Environment u James PK Sangma ulaong. Ya kini ka jing terwala wan ra hakmat ka jingelang bat da ka wei ka sur la shim ya ka rai ban itho no ya ka Baghmara Reserve Forest kum ka Picture Plant Sanctuary. Nalor kata ulia thoru ba ka boat kala shim ya ka rai ban itho no ya ka wei ka benta jong ka Riat Khwan Reserve Forest ka badan ha East Khasi Hills District kum ka jaka penne pensa ya kisim lane ka bird sanctuary.
Regarding the notification of Riat Khwan Reserve Forest, out of which a certain portion has been carved out to be notified as a bird sanctuary. So that was something that everyone in the board agreed to, and we have decided to send this, this recommendation and notify. We have decided to notify the Riat Khwan, reserve forest portion of it into a bird sanctuary. The second agenda was regarding the notification of Baghmara. In the Baghmara Reserve Forest, there is an area which is very rich in picture plants, and this proposal was brought to notify this as a picture plant sanctuary, and that also was discussed in the board, and we have also decided to notify that. For us as a forest department, we find it alarming, and this is something we take as a wake-up call. And we are working tirelessly, all our officers right now, to ensure that we arrest this kind of reduction and also at the same time increase our forest cover. As you know, the government of Meghalaya has set forth a very, very ambitious target of having 8 million saplings to be planted by the government this year, and we as a department, the forest department, we already have about 8 lakh seedlings that we will be going forward with, and we will be having afforestation efforts to increase the forest cover. At the same time, the forest department has also set upon itself a target, because we already have raised about 3.5 million seedlings in our nurseries, and these will be planted next year. So we will have 3.5 million saplings which we will be as a forest department planting for next year. So there are other mitigation efforts also underway, and we want to ensure that Meghalaya, in terms of its greenery, in terms of its ecology and environment, all efforts are made to preserve them, as Honorable Chief Minister has been saying in all his interactions.